Yeah, woo woo. It is hot out here. How about you? OMG. No cap. Oh, I stopped by Popeye. So this would be my meal for Sunday. Just this and then, my cucumber salad. That's it. This right here. Right. And what I did was have her to put extra sauce and extra cheese, please. And that worked out for me. Yeah, that worked out for me. And I like it. I'm on with them. Wait. This is going bad real quick. Okay. Off the rip. Either the sauce has got a kick to it. I know I got the spicy one. Oh my. Somebody help me. This boy is packing with sodium. Something. This sauce is This shit made me sweat even more. For those who are into that, okay, so be it. I have to feed the rest of the birds. Not saying that this is a bad dude, but I would really like a 5. But my thing is, go ahead and get you some extra sauce, extra toppings on it to make it greater and better. It's hot. I can blow my breath in somebody's face and their face get on fire right about now. Yeah, so I rated like a 5 out of 10, possibly 6. But at the end of the day, that's just packed with too much hotness. Whether it's the sauce or whatever, I don't even want to figure it out right now. I just want to get me some water. But whatever rocks your boat, different strokes for different folks. It's hot out here. Be safe in all that you do. At the end of the day, be safe in all that you do. And ain't nothing that you can't do. And definitely stay hydrated. Lovely checking out. Yeah. Ooh.